Good morning. Today we're going to be working on a 2002 Harley Davidson Softail. This is a CVO model. It's a beautiful bike. What I'd like to do today is to service the front brake pads. We will remove them, clean them, and then reinstall them. Any questions, just ask. And if you could, thumbs up, subscribe, and leave a comment. With that, let's get started. All right, what I did was place a jack underneath the bike with a little piece of 3/4 ply, so I didn't have to remove that chin spoiler at the bottom. And with that, let's move up to the front wheel to remove these pads. As you see now, the wheel can spin. All right, I got a pair of pliers. Let's get these two caps off these bolts. Now with a 12-point 1/4 inch, let's remove them. With my 1/4 inch drive and a 1/4 inch 12-point, let's loosen these up. I'm going to bring it to where it clears the thread. What I'm going to do is collapse these pistons to make it easier to remove and reinstall. I like using this chisel. There's a nice little edge to it. Nice and slow, just work it. Now I'm going for the inside one. Be very, okay, there we go. What I want to do is loosen up the master cylinder cap. With that loose, I checked it. Now to remove these pins. One, two. And you see the way that pad came out, nice and easy. Let's put it on the floor. That's the one facing us. I'm gonna have to collapse that inside one a little more. Now that I removed the master cylinder cap, this will be easier. There we go. Now you see the way that dropped. I'll put that on the floor. That's the inside one. Now that was pretty easy. You seen the way it went in and out. Like I said, when you take the cap off the master cylinder, it relieves some pressure. Now I was able to collapse these all the way. Like I said, I go in there, little angle. Go in the back, and just twist it. And then that's that. With a wire brush, I have a sanding block. I always inspect these. I'm going to winterize this bike. On the side. Try to take the edge. Now by doing this, you keep a good eye on what's going on. Take notice that this has a bigger tab. This is your outside one. Inside one has two small tabs. Same thing with the rear one. Although there's a little brake dust. All right, with that, I like to install them with these pins. So now, with the wheel off the ground, This moves nice and easy. All right, here's your pad. And what you want to do is just get it in there. Take notice. I have that sunk into it. Now, by letting the wheel off the ground, you see what you got. Now it's there, it's clear. It's your finger. You got that one. Now let's go up to the top. Get yourself a little screwdriver. Now, you have that pad in place. Now to go for the real one. Make sure our pads are collapsed. A little clockwise turn. And with this pad, we're going to do the same thing. Lean it right there. Now you can see it. There it is. Now slowly. Now from the back with the screwdriver, the same thing. I can feel I got both of them. There's no doubt in my mind. You just wiggle it, you can feel it. With the pin, there's no room. This is a tight tolerance fit. So if it ain't perfect, you can hassle yourself. So what you want to do is, now you got it in there, take your 2 fingers and just hold the pads. You could use your 1/4 inch ratchet with your 12 point, and that's all the way in. Let's do the same thing for the top. Get a screwdriver. That's one. Now with the ratchet, try to get it with your finger in the back. You'll see the back one you can grab. And there's 2. It's that easy. Now let's tighten it up. Check your torque specs. Make sure you tighten the cap on your master cylinder. Move the wheel back and forward. You don't hear nothing weird. Now let's hit the brake handle 5 times. There you go. Now what I'm going to do is, I'm tightening up the cap on the master. Don't get crazy. Fluid's all good. We changed that out not too long ago. I hit the handle. She's beautiful. Let's spin the wheel. And what we did was just service the brakes. You know, they get dirt on them, brake dust, and you want to see what's going on. You never want to let these things just go bad on you when you're on the road. I like to service my stuff every 3,000 to 5,000 miles. I enjoy working on these bikes. If you have any questions, just ask. And if you could, please subscribe, thumbs up, and leave a comment. With that, ride safe and have a great day.